Hello guys! In my last video, you witnessed my arrival in the vibrant city of Dubai. So now let's take a closer look to an exclusive tour of its grand and magnificent airport, a real marvel in the world of aviation. Dubai International Airport stands as one of the busiest and most awe-inspiring hubs globally. As I stepped off the plane, I was instantly impressed by the grandeur of Dubai Airport. Look around, you'll find yourself in a bustling crossroads of the world. People from all corners of the globe converging here for their next adventure. Take a moment to absorb the diverse tapestry of cultures passing by. It's like a global parade of humanity, a testament to how interconnected our world truly is. The airport is so serene and calm, you might forget you're in the middle of one of the world's busiest airports. The soft lighting, the gentle hum of conversations in different languages, it all adds to the magic. Dubai Airport isn't just a stopover, it's a portal to the world. Thousands of travelers like us are here to connect to their next adventure, to explore new cultures and create unforgettable memories. Talking about the airport, where is the airport located? It's located just about 10 kilometers away from the world-famous Burj Khalifa, right along Sheikh Zayed Road. It's incredibly close to the heart of Dubai, practically at the city's doorstep. So you touch down and within minutes you're in the city. So no long, tiring transfers, hours of commuting. It's like Dubai welcomes you with open arms as soon as you step off the plane. Being so strategically located, the airport is super convenient for travelers. So whether you're here for business, leisure, or just a layover, you won't waste your precious time getting to your destination. That means you can start exploring Dubai's incredible attractions like Burj Khalifa, Dubai Mall, or the historic Old Town almost as soon as you arrive. So if you're a traveler planning to visit Dubai or catch a connecting flight to another destination, Dubai serves as an ideal transit hub to ensure a seamless and hassle-free experience. It's not just about where you're going, it's also about providing a remarkably convenient travel experience. Navigating through Dubai Airport is a breeze, thanks to its efficient layout, clear signage, and world-class facilities. Now, when I say colossal, I mean colossal. This airport isn't just big, it's humongous. Covering an area of 7,200 acres, it's like a city within a city. To put it in perspective, it's equivalent to 5,500 football fields. So if you're picturing a sprawling complex, you're right on the money. But wait, there's more to this remarkable story. Dubai International Airport status as a global aviation powerhouse is no mere coincidence. It's a testament to the airport's unmatched ability to handle an incredible volume of travelers from all walks of life. Every year, millions of passengers reach with their own unique stories, languages, and destinations converge here. It's like a bustling metropolis where cultures blend, dreams take flight, and the world becomes just a little bit smaller. But it's not just about the size that's awe-inspiring, it's the efficiency. Dubai International Airport isn't just a place where travelers pass through, it's a place where travelers pass through smoothly and swiftly. Imagine being a part of this grand symphony of movement where the hustle and bustle isn't chaotic but choreographed. It's like a well-rehearsed performance where everyone plays their part, from the flight crew to the ground staff, ensuring that your journey is as seamless as possible. So when I say it's buzzing with activity, I mean it's buzzing big time. It's a testament to human ingenuity and cooperation, where millions of individual journeys come together, all orchestrated with precision to create an unparalleled aviation experience. Dubai International Airport isn't just an airport, it's a hub of human connection. A place where travelers from every corner of the world meet, depart, and arrive. It's a place where stories begin, reunions happen, and dreams take flight. So when you step into the bustling metropolis of terminals and runways, know that you are a part of something truly extraordinary. The atmosphere here is like no other airport. It's like stepping into a world of elegance where travelers from every corner of the globe come together in harmony. The airport places a high emphasis on safety and security. You can travel with peace of mind knowing that stringent security measures are in place to ensure the safety of all passengers and staff. Now I'll let you savor the beauty of Dubai airport and soak in the magnificence of this massive infrastructure while refraining from keeping you busy with my talks. So there you have it, an enchanting walk through Dubai International Airport where the world converges and every step is a step closer to your next adventure. If you've enjoyed this leisurely stroll, don't forget to like, share and subscribe because we've got a lot on our plate for My Dubai Vacation series. Join us and let's uncover the wonders of this mesmerizing city together.